Hi everybody, so today I'm going to show you how I do these bottle top. Let's see if you can see it. That we don't have, or that for the new ones or the ones that we don't have, and how I do them on my Cricut. So basically, I just go to paint and I have just a normal circle, and whatever color that you're going to need. So one of the other ones that I don't have, or that I ran out of, is citronella. So we're just going to go ahead and do a circle. You don't need to worry about the size, just make sure it's a nice round circle, and you can do that on paint. And we're going to add, I use the NBA Cavaliers font. I found it on the font, it's free, and it's one of the closest that I've found it for the bottle top labels that we get from our back office. So basically, you can leave it. I'll change, you can resize it to make sure it fits so that it's not too big. But that's basically about what I do, right? So then I'm gonna go ahead and save as a PNG. And I'm gonna save it under citronella. And I am OCD, I'm sorry. All right, so once you save it, and that's fine. Once you save it, you go back to Cricut Design Space, and you go to Upload over here on the lower left-hand corner, and you're going to press Upload Image. And then you're going to go ahead and browse where you have them. So I have citronella right here, and I'm gonna open it. And even though it's a very simple, I always press complex, because when you're printing something, you don't really want it to get messed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and press continue. And then over on the upper left-hand corner, you're gonna press select and erase, and you're gonna erase all the white that is around it. So it's just that circle. And then you're gonna press, continue, and you're going to leave on this side because we are going to do print and cut. And so then you press save. Select your image, and we're going to insert the image over here. Now, once obviously this is not the size that we don't want 2 inches. We want to fit perfectly on top of the bottle cap. It's going to be 0.563. So we select this, select width, and then we're going to put 0.563. Press enter, and it will make them all the same size. So now I have most of the ones that I need in order to print. I will do a second video showing how it prints and cuts. So I hope this helps for you to see how I brought them into the actual Cricut Design Space.